Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like tech and helpful tips, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
Fixing a seized engine is one of the most significant and costly repairs a vehicle owner can face, and understanding the potential expenses involved requires delving into the nature of the seizure itself and the various repair avenues available. A seized engine means its internal components, primarily the pistons and crankshaft, are locked up and cannot move, often due to a catastrophic failure like extreme lack of oil causing metal-on-metal friction and welding, severe overheating leading to warped parts, or hydrolock from water entering the cylinders. The cost to remedy this issue is rarely minor and can range from a few $1,000s to well over $10,000, frequently exceeding the vehicle's market value, especially for older or less expensive models. The initial step in addressing a seized engine is a thorough diagnosis by a qualified mechanic. This diagnostic process, which can cost anywhere from $100 to $500, is crucial for determining the exact cause of the seizure and the full extent of the internal damage. Without this assessment, it's impossible to gauge whether a repair is feasible or if replacement is the only viable option. Once the damage is understood, you're typically presented with a few main choices, each with vastly different price tags. One option is a complete engine rebuild. This involves disassembling the entire engine, inspecting every component, machining parts like the crankshaft and cylinder walls if they can be salvaged, and replacing damaged items such as pistons, rings, bearings, valves, and all associated gaskets and seals. An engine rebuild is highly labor-intensive and requires specialized skills and equipment. For a standard 4-cylinder engine, a professional rebuild can cost between $2,500 and $6,000, while larger V6 or V8 engines, or specialized performance engines, can easily push costs to $7,000 or even $10,000, depending on the parts needed and the complexity. This option often provides a like-new engine with a warranty, offering good long-term reliability. Alternatively, replacing the seized engine with a different unit is often a more straightforward and sometimes more economical path. There are three primary types of replacement engines: used, remanufactured, and new. A used engine, sourced from a salvage yard, is the cheapest replacement option, with the engine itself costing anywhere from $500 to $3,000, plus labor for installation, which typically runs another $1,000 to $2,500. The total for a used engine swap could be $1,500 to $5,500, but it comes with the risk of unknown history and potentially limited or no warranty. A remanufactured engine, on the other hand, is an engine that has been professionally rebuilt to factory specifications by a specialized company, often with upgraded components and a robust warranty. These engines typically cost $2,000 to $6,000 for the unit, plus installation labor, bringing the total to $3,000 to $8,500. Finally, a brand new engine from the original equipment manufacturer, OEM, is the most expensive, often ranging from $4,000 to $10,000 or more for the engine alone, with installation adding another $1,000 to $2,500. This option can total upwards of $5,000 to $12,000 plus, making it viable usually only for high-value vehicles or classic cars where originality is paramount. Several factors heavily influence the final cost. The make, model, and year of your vehicle play a huge role, as luxury or performance cars will naturally have more expensive parts and specialized labor requirements. The engine type, e.g., 4-cylinder, V6, V8, diesel, turbocharged, also affects complexity and part costs. Labor rates vary significantly by geographic location and whether you choose an independent shop or a dealership. The extent of the damage, parts availability, and whether you opt for OEM, aftermarket, or used components will all impact the bottom line. Ultimately, fixing a seized engine is a significant investment, and it's essential to get multiple quotes and a clear understanding of what each option entails before making a decision. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more automotive insights.